Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Bluetooth is available and active on your desktop. Plug in a Bluetooth USB dongle if you don't have built-in radio. Drivers may install automatically. Next, power on your headphones and put them into pairing mode. Look for a blinking light or voice cue. Open Settings, choose Devices, then Bluetooth and other devices. This is where Windows lists discoverable devices. Once done, click Add Bluetooth or other device to initiate the pairing dialog and move to the next step. You'll now pair the devices. Click Add Bluetooth or other device and choose Bluetooth. Windows scans for signals and shows available devices. Select the headphone entry that matches the model name. If a PIN appears, enter 0000 or 1234 or accept the prompt on both devices. Many modern headphones pair without codes. Make sure to watch for the connected or paired status. That confirms the link. Once paired, Windows may install audio drivers and set the headphones as an output device automatically. To finish, open Sound Settings and choose your headphones as the output device, and select the headset mic if you plan to use voice. If audio doesn't route, make sure the headphone profile is set to stereo or hands-free correctly, because some apps prefer one profile over another. If things go wrong, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart Windows Audio Service, or remove and repair the device. Updating Bluetooth drivers in Device Manager often resolves persistent connection or driver issues. Try that before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.